When fraud impacts an account, it's rarely just about closing that account and reopening a new one with a new account number. It's about recreating everything tied to that account accurately. That can involve agreements, holds, preauthorized transactions, overdraft settings. There's a lot that needs to be carried over. The Fraud Account Transfer DNA app brings automation and visibility to the account transfer process. It's not just a matter of moving the funds, it's replicating the full account context, with validation built in along the way. The process starts on the deposit maintenance screen, where we access the process from the maintenance menu. From the main screen here, the user can see everything tied to the account across these tabs: agreements, combined statements, account roles, holds, and more. So, before anything is processed, there's full visibility into what's going to move. After the user has reviewed all the features of the account to be copied and confirmed the minor type for the new account, they then click the Process button. The system then handles closing the original account and creating the replacement account using core API calls. As that happens, every step is logged in real time and shown in the processing summary grid. The user can see what completed successfully, and if anything needs attention, it's all clearly displayed with any issues highlighted. The user can click on the post-processing action buttons to see details about what was or was not done and what may still need to be handled manually. The application also handles real-world scenarios, like pending ACH holds, overdraft settings, or product-level overrides, so the process adjusts based on what's actually happening on the account. A recent update added an automatic summary that can be printed or archived. In addition, the processing of retirement accounts is now supported, and transaction exception messages have been refined to be more clear. So, instead of manually working through each component of an account migration, the Fraud Account Transfer app gives a controlled, transparent way to complete the full transition. Thank you again for watching this video. If you'd like more information or have any further questions, please email us at dnaappsupport@prometheusfs.com.